Alright, welcome to this channel. So in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to generate cover letters for job applications using Chat GPT. Trust me guys, this is amazing. Chat GPT is amazing. So before we start off the video, if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button, click the notification, turn on the notification bar, and like this video. Make sure you watch till the end. I've got something special for you at the end of this video. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write me a professional, like I used to say, you have to be precise, professional cover letter for the position of a full stack developer in a company called Meta. Right, so I'm asking it to give me later in a company called Meta. So I'm just going to click on this, and I have network challenges. Now if you face these challenges while trying to use ChatGPT, I need you to know that it is normal. It is really normal. Sometimes you face these challenges because of network, sometimes you face the challenges, so all you have to do is to maybe refresh your network, or just come over to this part, log out and sign in again, and then you will be able to use this feature again. So in my own case, I'm trying to refresh my network. If it doesn't work, that means I'll have to log out and log in again. So let's try and generate a response. Alright, dear hiring manager, I am writing to express my interest as a full stack developer position available in Meta. My experience as an experienced developer, a strong background in full stack development with over 5 years experience, HTML, CSS, blah blah blah. So it has given us a breakdown of a cover letter, and trust me, this is really professional. So I could even go ahead and say, with the information in the cover letter, write me a professional resume. You know what the resume is, so I don't need to dwell so much on that. Let's see if GPT can actually give us a resume. So it's coming with the name, the address, giving us a summary, and then it's going to come up with professional experience. You see? So with this, I mean, you're good to go. So trust me guys, ChatGPT is a real deal. It's really a real deal. So I'm going to be ending this video here. Like I said, if you're new to this channel, click on the subscription button, as I'll be dropping multiple contents on ChatGPT. I'm your friend on this journey, and you would really like to be my friend too. You wouldn't want to miss my content. So please click on the subscription button and like this video. Share to your friends. See you in my next video.